Cucumbers are crisp, refreshing, and easy to grow yourself. Let's go over the basics on how to plant and maintain them. First, you need to choose which type of cucumbers you want to plant. Vining cucumbers require support to encourage vertical climbing, while the bush variety is ideal if space in your garden is limited. We're going to focus on how to plant vining cucumbers. Here's what you'll need. First, add soil. If needed, you can mix in composted or well-rotted manure to condition the soil. Once you've prepped the soil, you'll be ready to plant your cucumbers. Your best bet is to wait until after the last frost of spring when the soil is warmer. Now let's start prep. For vining cucumbers, you'll need to support the vine with a fence, trellis, or 48-inch tall tomato cage. Using a trowel, dig a 1-inch deep trench along both sides of the support. Space seeds 12 inches apart and cover with soil. Be ready to water your cucumbers frequently. The best time to water your plants is mid-morning after the dew is evaporated. Fertilizing the seeds will help yield a robust crop. Do this frequently with organic fertilizer that's rich in nitrogen. You can also sprinkle a slow-release vegetable fertilizer. Covering the soil with 1 to 2 inches of mulch helps retain moisture, keeps plants protected from summer heat, and reduces drought stress. Use straw, pine bark, or shredded leaves. It usually takes about 46 to 65 days before cucumbers can be harvested, so keep an eye out for firm, green flesh. Once they're ready, you'll be picking them every day or so as they ripen. Now you can enjoy fresh cucumbers grown right at home. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.